Fast Brain Booster is a groundbreaking formula designed to support brain health, regardless of the stage of cognitive decline you may be experiencing. With a 60-day money-back guarantee, you can try it risk-free. Discover the benefits of Fast Brain Booster. Fast Brain Booster is a cognitive enhancement supplement available exclusively at fastbrainbooster.com. Taking just one capsule daily may help restore mental clarity, boost alertness, and enhance memory within weeks. Product overview. Name: Fast Brain Booster. Key benefits: nourish your brain and restore optimal cognitive function. Ingredients: natural organic compounds. Side effects: none reported. Rating: 5 stars. Availability: online only. To learn more about how Fast Brain Booster can benefit you, keep reading. What is Fast Brain Booster? Formulated by neuroscientist David Clark, Fast Brain Booster targets older adults experiencing cognitive changes, whether it's minor forgetfulness or more serious concerns. While some memory issues are normal with aging, others may signal degenerative conditions like Alzheimer's or dementia. By incorporating Fast Brain Booster into your routine, you could potentially improve brain health, enhance memory, and regain focus, all without the need for expensive medications or complex mental exercises. Key benefits of Fast Brain Booster. Fast Brain Booster is aimed at older adults seeking to improve cognitive function. Here are some of the advertised benefits. Combat harmful microbes linked to Alzheimer's and other brain disorders. Protect cognitive functions over the years. Activate your body's natural defenses against memory loss. Boost mental clarity, focus, and overall cognitive performance. How does Fast Brain Booster work? Fast Brain Booster claims to address the underlying causes of degenerative brain issues. While traditional science explores various factors like genetics and lifestyle, David Clark's research suggests that these conditions arise from an imbalance of free radicals and antioxidants. The formula aims to restore this balance, potentially reversing cognitive decline. Collaboration with Dr. Rakoto. David Clark partnered with Dr. Rakoto, a Malagasy expert familiar with unique local plants. Their collaboration led to the development of Fast Brain Booster, which combines ancient herbal wisdom with modern neuroscience. Clinical trial insights. David Clark conducted a significant clinical trial involving 270 participants. Results showed that 98% of participants experienced improved cognitive functions after just a few weeks of use, with 100% reporting enhanced memory and mental health. Ingredients of Fast Brain Booster. Fast Brain Booster contains 14 key vitamins, minerals, and herbal extracts, many sourced from Madagascar. Key ingredients include Ginkgo Biloba, traditionally used to enhance memory and cognitive function. Phosphatidylserine, supports neuron health and memory retention. St. John's wort, boosts mood and alleviates anxiety. L-glutamine, promotes nerve health. N-acetyl L-carnitine, aids brain cell restoration. Pricing and availability. Fast Brain Booster is available at the following prices: 1 bottle, $69 plus $4.99 shipping. 3 bottles, $177, $59 each, plus free shipping. 6 bottles, $294, $49 each, plus free shipping. Refund policy. A 60-day money-back guarantee allows you to return the product if unsatisfied. Final thoughts. Fast Brain Booster is a promising supplement for those concerned about memory loss and cognitive decline. Developed by experts, it targets the root causes of brain deterioration, offering a holistic approach to mental wellness. For more information and to make a purchase, visit the official website.